EXPLORE 5 is a durable 700 lumen headlamp for outdoor adventures. EXPLORE is dust-tight and fully waterproof, comes with an ergonomic headband, but also a helmet mount. It has an integrated rechargeable battery and several light modes to provide you with the optimal light in different conditions. It's available in the colors black, blue and yellow. The wide headband provides a comfortable fit. It has silicone on the inside to prevent it from slipping, and smooth buckles for easy adjustment. EXPLORE has a light output of 700 lumen and features Silva intelligent light that combines a long-reach spotlight with a close floodlight. It's tiltable 90 degrees. It has two LEDs that operate together to create optimal light for different conditions. It has a large power button that is easy to operate with one hand even when wearing gloves. The lamp has 4 light modes. A short press starts the lamp in min mode. Min mode is good for reading and saves battery. Then you enter medium low mode that is suitable for close range use. Then medium high mode for medium range use. And finally max mode for long range use. When toggling into max mode, the lamp will flash shortly. This is a visual indication to let you know which mode you are in. Turn off with a long press. When switching the lamp on or off, the 4 LEDs on the side indicates the battery status. It also has a red light mode that is accessed by a long press of the power button from off mode. You can then toggle between red and orange light with short presses. The red light preserves your night vision, and the orange light enables better map reading. Turn off with a long press. The lamp has a lock function to prevent it from starting by accident. From off mode, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. Now it can't be operated. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be operated as usual. The temperature of the lamp body will increase during use, and cooling is an essential part of how well the lamp performs. EXPLORE is equipped with an efficient cooler that passes right through the lamp body and lets cool air pass through. The cooler is efficient both when in motion and when standing still. EXPLORE has a built-in rechargeable battery that is charged with USB-C. The charging port is located here. Use the included charging cable. The charging status is indicated by 4 LEDs. The charging port, as well as the whole lamp, is of course fully waterproof and dust tight and meets the IP68 standard. This means you can be out in really bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. Use the included helmet mount to attach the headlamp to a helmet. The mount comes with pre-mounted adhesive tape on the back and fits most helmet types. First, you need to detach the headband from the front bracket. Then you just slide the front bracket into the helmet mount. Make sure to click it in properly. To detach, slide the lamp upwards and out of the bracket. Here on the back side you find a QR code which leads to more information about the product on the web. So if you need a powerful, waterproof, durable and rechargeable headlamp with lots of smart features and helmet mount for all your adventures after dusk, EXPLORE 5 is the lamp for you.